They say it takes two to tango. But what happens when the music stops and the dance falls apart? This Saturday at 10 a.m., Satideh Mawnin Runnings dives deep into the raw, unfiltered reality of relationships with the topic Life Unscripted. We're talking about marriage, breakdowns, not just the surface drama, but the real stuff underneath, the patterns, the silence, the unmet needs. Even more powerful, this week we ask, what if divorced couples sat down to unpack what went wrong? Not to point fingers, but to understand. What if we stopped pretending and started talking? Join us for a conversation that's real, that's revealing, and maybe even healing. Saturday, April 26th at 10 a.m. on Satideh Mawnin Runnings. Log on to Instagram at Lady Denise Gomez, Facebook Inside the Zone, Facebook Lady D Denise Gomez, or on YouTube Inside the Zone with Lady D. Let's talk. Hope to see you then. Ta-ta.